Today is the February 10th. Here's my PC clock. Before I start, please read the disclaimer. Nothing is guaranteed, and this is just a tool to help us with our trading. Okay, I need to show a few things that I just discovered today. I've had also some delays with the Algorithmic as well, but I think this will help. But now on this one, it's on sim. This is a sim account. I'm just testing on based on the changes, and never had any problems with the sim or playback mode. It means there is no problems or issues in the program. Also, based on the what the support from the platform said, the sim 101 and playback account simulated a standard broker and may not have this type of problems or messages. It only happens with the third-party connections, or most of it is, I think, from the Algorithmic that we all face. But I think I have a solution for this. I think this is the solution. You click on Tools and Options, and here I made some changes into this automated trading interface. And if you click on this, it's not going to show like my settings. These settings that I just changed these settings from market order on TS fill. That's what it was, set on default. So yours is going to look like just like this. So the only changes I did, I changed to submit as is, and I've enabled submit market orders if stop loss or if stop order was rejected. So I've enabled this box. Also, I changed that to this submit as is. I think this will fix the problem from the previous settings or setup. So try to follow what I just showed and make that changes. Switch to a submit as is. I hope this will solve the problem. Also try to enable cancel entry order when a strategy is disabled. This box and the second box as well. On your settings, I think it will be off. Also, mine was off. I just enabled these two boxes. Also, the on connection loss, set it to keep running. What I'm showing got nothing to do from the program. This is in the NT8 platform settings to deal with the automated trades and market data. So I think we need to change a few things on this page and follow my changes. And also market data, you click on the preferred connections, historical, and the real-time. I changed the future to a Algorithmic NinjaTrader brokerage. Also for the real-time as well. You have to have it same like this settings. So this is how it's gonna help to not have all these problems with the Algorithmic delays or entry orders. If you test the program on sim real-time data or market replay and you don't see any problems or issues, it means the problems that you are having when you run it on Apex, it's from market real-time data. So I hope this fix the problem. Again, market data is set to try to match or copy what I'm showing. On the automated trading interface, set it to a submit as is, and submit market orders if stop order was rejected. So enable that and try it and see if it's going to help. Also enable these two boxes. I did not change anything on this trading page or panel, and this is nothing. This is just the timers, time zone and stuff. This is nothing special to make any changes in this page. So I hope these things will help. Again, you can still contact the platform NT8 about the delays issues, of course, and they will tell you exactly what I'm saying. As you can see, this gentleman he was asking the same questions that we all ask every day. Why we are getting this type of orders on real-time market data only? It's because it's not a standard connection from the NT8 platform. It's a third-party connection. So this is like why we are having all these problems sometimes with the real-time or Algorithmic data. But try to make these changes. Maybe, I hope it helps, and I believe it should. I mean, there is nothing else to do with the Algorithmic delays. But I'm gonna show this one. This is on Sim, just testing the changes. I'm gonna keep it running just to show and see how it works. And I'm gonna bring this log to show us if there is any problems. Always on top. Okay, I'm gonna let this one running. I have the timers off. So I'm gonna disable the daily profit target, and I'll get stopped out. So try to make these changes. It should help from what I know, based on my knowledge. If it doesn't, you will have to probably keep watching your trades, and when this happens, try to close manually or from a different window. And I tied up the stop losses too, right, on this, on the 24, on the number 24 setup. Again, try to test the program on sim or playback. If there is no issues or problems, it means the problems that you are having when you run on real time, it's from the market data. And if you see the problems when you run the program on replay on this page, then yes, the program has issues. I have tested many hours watching the log on a playback mode and did not show any issues or problems. Okay, I'm gonna keep this video short. I'm gonna share it on Skype. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Also, the website link, it's down in the description in this video. If you want to get the program is available in the website. Also, if you have any questions, you can always add me on Skype or email me for more details and info. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.